Good morning, day 51 of 75 Hard. Let me tell you why that's exciting. I have a tracking sheet that I use every time I do 75 Hard. I'm pretty sure I've said this before, but the very first time I did 75 Hard, there was no app, there was no website, there was no book or t-shirt or anything. It was a thing that people were doing and you just had to do it. And so I just made a simple spreadsheet with all the things and I check off all the boxes, and that's what I've used every time. I don't like the app. There's nothing wrong with the app. It's just one more thing to remember for me, and I'm good with my checklist. Anyway, I have it split up into 3 phases. So I have the first 25 days, the second 25 days, and the third 25 days. So this morning, when I got up, weighed in, I got to fill out the 3rd page. And it's a win. And it's not a win because, you know, I'm not done. I still got 25 more days to go. But it's the small victories that I think we have to celebrate along the way. Because you know who always will be the worst critic of the things that you do? You. You're always your own worst critic. You'll always sit there and second guess and beat yourself up and think about all the things you should have done better, could have done better, whatever. Meanwhile, you're not giving yourself credit for the things that you're actually doing and actually accomplishing. So, you know, those little things that feel like wins, celebrate that. Like, make that a win. Because you know what? You could die today too. And do you want to die like going, oh man, I'm a fucking loser? Or do you want to die going, you know, I won this day. Like, I did some good stuff. I got up, I worked out, I drank some water, I spent time doing things I love. Like, those are the wins we have to celebrate. So go celebrate your wins today. Make good choices. I'll see y'all later. Folks, day 51 is done. Nothing really of grave importance to report today, although I did walk outside in a dust storm. We had some crazy storms both through this morning and then this afternoon, like a West Texas dust storm blew through. And at first I thought it was cloudy outside. It wasn't cloudy, that was dust. So there'll probably be a whole bunch of people with allergy issues tomorrow. That's nothing new to North Texas in the springtime. That's just what we deal with. Pop a few Alka-Seltzer, I'm good to go. Anyway, I'm kind of on wash, rinse, repeat mode right now. 24 days left. It's exciting. It's exciting. Feeling good. My wife's excited. She's been doing the diet portion with me, and she's ready to eat some French fries and potato chips. What else, babe? Whatever else she wants to eat. Whatever she wants to eat, that's what we're gonna eat. What'd you say? Oh, alcohol. Alcohol. She would like a glass of wine. You know, it's nice. It's nice having people in your household support the things that you do. It's always it's a bonus. I know a lot of people don't have that. A lot of people actually have the opposite of that. They don't have people that support them, and they have people that actually try to sabotage them. So I'm very grateful that my wife is always on board with my shenanigans. And it's super helpful for that. So hope you have that in your life. If you don't, go find it. Y'all have a great night. Make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow.